To show your upcoming events into next weeks on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add the upcoming event list widget from the Samsung calendar to your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen, and then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find Samsung Calendar. Tap Samsung Calendar. Scroll down the screen. Now tap and hold the upcoming event list widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. Tap anywhere outside the widget. You can see that the widget is displaying your upcoming event in next 2 weeks. If needed, you can customize this widget by long tapping the widget and then select setting. Here you can set the background color to black or white when the dark mode on your phone is off, adjusting the widget transparency level, and also decide whether you like to match the background color of the widget with the dark mode or not when the dark mode on your phone is on. To save the change, tap save button. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.